Hello guys, this is Akshar Patel here, and today I'm going to tell you about this how to fix this disabled iPad. This is just because of entering wrong password many times. So first of all, you need to download one IPSW file from any website. You can easily find out on website. I already downloaded, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so here it is. This is the iPad 5 fifth generation. Yeah, it's a 11.3 version. Okay, and you can just type it which model you have, and you can find it easily. Just make sure that you have, if you have iPad Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi cellular, just to make sure that you downloaded that file. So after download the file, you need to connect your iPad to your computer or PC via USB cable. So I have USB cable. Here it is. Just to plug it in. So just unplug my iPad to my computer like that. Fuck. Okay, I connected. So I opened my iTunes and it can't show the connected iPad device on iTunes. You can see that there is no connected device here. Even though I connect my iPad to my computer, still not gonna show. Okay, so all you're gonna need is just one thing to enter your iPad into your DFU mode. And how to do that, I'll show you. Guys, to enter into DFU mode, you need to do some couple of steps. It's easy, so I show you. So, all you're gonna need is to just press power button and the home button at the same time. Okay, so that way. And after the 5 second, just remove the power button and continuously press home button like that. It shows like this that iTunes has detected an iPhone on recovery. You must restore an iPod before it can be used with iTunes. Okay, so like that. Okay, so now just continuously press the shift button and just click restore iPad. It pop-ups menu like this, and then just select the file you have downloaded from the website. My file is in downloads, so here is the file 11.3. okay, just open it. iTunes will erase and restore your iPad to iOS 11.3 and will verify the restore with iPhone IPod. Okay, just restore it. It shows extracting software. It take around 15 or 20 minutes to restore your iPad. It will fix the disable. So after all is done, it look like this. It's my iPad 5th generation Wi-Fi. It has not cellular. So after that, the item says the set up your iPad as a new device or restore from your old backup. So I'm gonna set up this iPad as a new. Okay, so I just let's set up as a new iPad and just continue. Get started. let's cancel the sync. Okay, so our iPhone is now working. All we have to do is just to press the home button, select the language, India, quick start, set up as manually, next. All you got to do, we need some Wi-Fi. Enter the password and connect to the Wi-Fi. Incorrect password. Okay, I got. Okay, ready to log in. Okay, it's connected. Press next. Continue. Save to ID later. Don't use. Create password. Don't use passcode. Set up as a new iPad. Agree. Continue. And continue. Continue. Get started. So you are into your new iPad with factory data is set. So guys, that way you can fix it your disable iPhone or iPad or iPod, any Apple devices. That's the same way you can do another in another model. So guys, we are in the new iPad. You can do same in the